Hello Danna, hello Astrid. So this video is to practice lesson the extended family, okay? Lesson extended family. First, we're gonna remember vocabulary from lesson 1. Vocabulary for lesson 1. Practice pronunciation, okay? Practice pronunciation, very important. Repeat after me. First, first, first. Name, name, name. Last, last, last. Old, old. Is not old, is old. Not old, old. Year, year, or years, years. Very good. Now, yours, your. Now this is your and this is years. Years, your. Years, your. His, his, his. Hair, hair, hair. Please practice the pronunciation, okay? Now, extended family. Vocabulary. This is. This is. This is. These are. These are. These are. This is an apple, and these are many apples. This is an apple, singular. These are many apples, plural. Grandparents, grandparents, grandparents. Grandmother, grandmother, grandmother. Grandfather, grandfather. These are my grandparents. These are my grandparents. This is my grandfather. This is my grandfather. His first name is Angel. His middle name is Jose. And his last name is Castillo. This is my grandmother. This is my grandmother. Her first name is Blanca. Her middle name is Mercedes. and her last name is Garcia. Now this is Astrid's grandparents. Your grandfather's full name is, his first name is Carmelo, his middle name is Lopez, is Jose, and his last name is Lopez. Your grandmother's full name is Teresa. Her first name, Stella. Her first name is Stella. Her last name is Herrera, and her middle name is Georgina. Now, Danna's grandparents. Your grandfather's full name is, his first name is Victor, his middle name is Manuel, and his last name is Otero. Your grandmother's full name is Stella. Her first name is Stella, her last name is Herrera, and her middle name is Georgina. Okay? Please practice the pronunciation, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye.